Okay, free crypto club members, I want to show you guys our coin of choice, which is Swift Demand. Now I'm going to show you really quickly how you claim these free Swift Demand coins. Now remember, when you join, you get 100 coins. Every 24 hours, you receive another 100 coins. If you don't claim your coins within that 24 hours, you can let it run for a total of 7 days. Then after 7 days, you'll see $700 there. But understand, you cannot claim any more. If you don't get that 700 out of there, it won't go to 800. So every time you get up to 700, pull it out. Or every time you get up to 100, pull it out. But you cannot go any longer without claiming than 7 days. It only goes 7 days. Now me, I usually let my account sit for 7 days, claiming the 100. And that is what I'm getting ready to show you right now. So I'm going to log into my account. Okay, and in logging into my account, you're going to see that I have 700 coins. Now I've already accumulated over 69,690 coins. Okay, and I'm trading these coins dollar for dollar, because you'll see right here me trading these coins for Bitcoin with my team members. Okay, so these are, you see me claiming here, trading and claiming, trading and claiming, and it goes on, guys, because I've been doing this for a while. Because if you look, I'm going to take you back and show you. Let's see, did it go hit my more? You see it goes on, guys. It goes on. Okay, you see this is all back into last year. I've been doing this for a while, but I'm just not bringing it to the light to show you guys how I'm doing it. So now, okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you me claiming, simply pushing the claim button, claiming my 7 days worth of coin. If I would have claimed it in 24 hours, it would have only been 100 right here. Right? But because I waited 7 days, I have a total of 7 I can wait. I can't go no longer than 7. And now I'm going to claim my coin. And you see my balance right here is 690. You're about to see my balance grow in real time. So I'm going to claim my coin. This is all we do, guys. This is it. We're not doing anything. We're claiming this free coin, then trading this free coin with the members that come into our club. This is amazing. Watch this. Bam! Now, and then look at this, guys. It's less than 24 hours. I'm going to claim another 100 because they change it up. So now all I got to wait is 4 hours and 38 minutes. I'm going to be claiming another 100. So right now, you see I just claimed another 7. Let's go down here. There you go, right there. There's my claim for July 13th. So you're seeing this in real time. Now, I'm going to continue trading. I will never run out of coin to trade, guys, because remember something. I'm bringing in people, and every time I bring in somebody, I am earning this right here, right? Let me go to it. Let me go down here where I can see my referral bonus. You see here? Referral bonus, 500. So you see I'm steady claiming, I'm steady bringing people in, getting this money. This is free coin. We're trading free coin for Bitcoin. This is amazing, guys. So jump up in here. Don't sit back on this. You only need 20 bucks to get started. $20 gets you started over here with me and my team over at the club. You can start working with the crypto club and earning today. 20 bucks. Let's blow this thing up, guys. Let's bring people in from everywhere and help them to start earning. So I just showed it to you in real time. I just threw $700 into my account, which was 69 something. Now it's 70,000 some coins in there that I'm trading dollar for dollar. So this your man Cashmere Rich K RZA coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. Come on over here and join my new free crypto club, guys, and start making money today. Take care.